Today we've had the students in to show them what goes on at TAFE and what is available to them. They've spent time learning about the different areas within the health industry, and we've just spent some time in here engaging the students with some of the actual activities today to give them a bit of a hands-on practice.
The students get a lot of different ideas from what's available, the pathways that are open to them when they leave school. So it's really just about exposing the students to all the possibilities and pathways.
Today we've had students attend our health career taster. They've had experiences across a number of different health industries, so they've had to experience what it would be like to move people in a safe way, so using hoists and wheelchairs. They've been able to check for patients' vital signs using some of our mannequins in the hospital wards as well.
So I decided to come and participate today because I don't really know what I want to do in the future. So when I found out about the career tasters, I was like, oh, I'll just give them a try. I just gave it a go and it was really enjoyable today.
I definitely would recommend it because it's like a different environment, I guess you could say, to school, because you get to experience what other people go to a job after school.
You actually get to see what that actual job would look like, and you start thinking about what you actually want to be in the future.
And I would definitely recommend it to everyone because it's, just giving it a try. Find it interesting and you might want to pursue your career towards that.
So we offer a lot of different career activities across a range of industries. So we're trying to capture interests of all different types of students. So hopefully they'll come along and get to sample what it would be like to work a day in the life of a particular job role, and either come away thinking, yep, this is the job for me, or no, couldn't do it, and then thinking of where they're going to go from there.